Get my knives professionally sharpened at a minimum 2 times a year, usually 4 times a year. But in between them, I hone my knives myself all the time. And that just means that you kind of sharpen the blade. It's not gonna be as great as a professional sharpening, but it's gonna get those little nicks out of your knife. So start at the very base of the knife at about a 30-degree angle. I'm going slower than I normally would to show you guys. And then go all the way to the tip of the knife. And then you want to use the same angle. The best way to test that your knife blade is sharp is if it easily pierces a tomato. But that said, the price of groceries is ridiculous, so we don't want to waste a tomato. So do it at the very top of the tomato where you're gonna cut off the top anyway, and so you're not hurting it, you can still use it.